Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to add developer tab to the ribbon up in Microsoft Word. With developer add to the ribbon, you can do too many good things with your documents. For example, you can record macros, you can use built-in templates that ease your work and obviously save the time. So let us understand how can we add developer tab to the ribbon in Microsoft Word. It's quite easy. You first need to come to the quick access toolbar and click on the drop down menu to activate to come to this list. And here on more click on more commands. You will come to this window. On the leftmost pane, click on customize ribbon, and then on the same window in the rightmost pane, drag down to, to developer mode, and you see here this is unchecked. So if you check this in and then you click OK, the developer tab is automatically added to the ribbon of the Word app. If you click on this tab, you see there are a lot of options available that help you modify or help you design your document. For example, you can record macros and can check the list of macros. Here is the Visual Basic where Visual Basic window, and here exists different templates. So these are the additional gadgets in Microsoft Word from which you can benefit. At the end, if you haven't subscribed to Safi Max, kindly press the subscribe button and also the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.